In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons co-op. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily do co-op on Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. You will be able to use two keyboards or two controllers and play with two players sharing the same platform. So make sure that you have an additional keyboard or an additional controller. You will be able to set them up and play together. So once you have either the controllers or the two keyboards connected to the same platform, all that you have to do is go over to play. So choose the option to start a new game from the home menu, and in here you will be able to select co-op mode. It should be available by default, and this is where you will be able to play with two players, aka co-op. You might see a warning similar to this one telling you that Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons was originally designed as a single-player game, and because of this, the gameplay and story will feel different with two players. Single player remains the intended experience. However, if you are aware of this, just choose the option to confirm. Just be aware that the game might be slightly different than the single player mode. Immediately upon doing this, you can now set up the characters. So one of you will have to press Enter on a keyboard or the respective button on a controller such as A to join as player 1, and then the other one can do the same to join as player 2. Like I said, this is going to work if you have two controllers or even two keyboards if you are on PC. Just make sure that you have everything set up on any platform, either PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and you will be able to play Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons together. You can do this as many times as you wish, as long as you choose co-op mode from the home screen and you press the respective buttons. If it doesn't work, then double check the connection on the additional controller or keyboard, and it is going to be available for any platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons co-op. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.